Okay, so first of all, I'm going to type equals sequence and then select my number and enter. And this gets me a sequence of numbers going from 1 to 20. I'm then going to take the number 20 and divide it by all of the numbers in the sequence. And a factor is anything that can be divided by that results in a whole number. So we need to search through this column for all of the whole numbers. And we're going to do that using the mod function. The mod function returns the remainder after a number is divided by a divisor. So for example, I'll take this number here and then the divisor will be 3. And I'll double click to send that down. I'll also in the next column take the numbers and actually divide them by 3 so we can see what's going on here. So with 1, that can't go into 3, so we just end up with 1 left over. Same with 2, that can't go into 3, so we just end up with 2 left over. 3 can go into 3 once with nothing left over, so we get a 0 here. 3 can go into 4 once with 1 left over. 3 can go into 5 once with 2 left over. 3 can go into 6 twice with nothing left over. 3 can go into 7 twice with 1 left over. 3 can go into 8 twice with 2 left over. 3 can go into 9 3 times with nothing left over. And you'll see we get a pattern in this column. It goes 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0 over and over again. And anytime we get a 0 in this column is also when we get a whole number here, because that is when it is possible to divide the number by 3 and not get any remainder. So over here we need to do equals mod. And the number is going to be the number 20 and the divisor is going to be all of the numbers in the sequence. And you'll see whenever we get a whole number in this column, we get zeros in this column. So what we need to do now is look through this column for all of the zeros. And I'm going to do that using the filter function. So the array is going to be the sequence of numbers. And we're going to be filtering that array to include only values in the mod column, which are equal to 0, and enter. And this gets me all of the factors of 20. Then to put this all into one cell, I'm going to use the ARRAYTOTEXT function and put it around everything. Now we can start putting this formula all together in one cell. So I'll copy the mod part here and then paste it in here to replace this cell reference. Then I'll copy the sequence part here and then paste it in here to replace this cell reference and also this cell reference. And we may as well turn this into a let formula as well. So the name will be number, N-U-M, and the value is going to be the number here. And then I will take num and copy and paste it to replace all of the other cell references. And then close brackets at the end and enter. Now that we have this formula set up, we can use it on this other sequence of numbers here. I just need to click and drag the cell reference over here and then double click to send the formula down. And now we have all of the factors for all of these numbers. And you'll see whenever we have a prime number, we only end up with 2 numbers in the list because a prime number can only be divided by itself and 1. Okay, so in this video, I have shown you how to get all of the factors for a number in Excel, and that is everything.